Homemade sardines in tomato sauce. Save your money and make it safe at home. Ingredients for about 1 kilogram of sardines. 1 kilogram fresh sardines, cleaned and gutted. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. 1 cup olive oil or vegetable oil. 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 bay leaf, optional. 1 teaspoon black pepper or peppercorns. 1 cup tomato puree or crushed tomatoes. 1 teaspoon paprika, optional for colour. Half teaspoon sugar to reduce acidity. Preparation: clean the sardines, remove heads and guts, wash gently with cold water. Prepare the sauce. In a pan, heat oil and sauté garlic until lightly golden. Add tomato puree, salt, sugar, paprika, pepper and bay leaf. Simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Add the sardines carefully. Arrange them in the sauce in a single layer. Add lemon juice or vinegar. Cover and simmer on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes without stirring. Cool and store, let it cool completely. Transfer into glass jars or airtight containers. Keep refrigerated for up to 1 week or freeze for longer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural recipes from NaturaBloom.